So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can learn bit manipulation concepts online without any software for free, with the visuals for easy learning. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for visualgo.net. You can see the right URL over there. Now I wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, you need to scroll down until you find the option of bit manipulation. Let's find it, and here you're gonna see this option which says bit mask. Just simply tap over there, and here are multiple bit manipulation techniques available for you to learn. And for easy understanding, you can see the multiple settings available for you to start learning the multiple concepts, multiple techniques that you can learn by visuals, so that it will be easy for you to understand the concepts. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.